All right, so I don't have Pro Tools, but I have Ableton, and I got this working. I'll just show you what I did, and maybe you can translate that to Pro Tools. So I have on the OPXY, I have 4 distinct tracks. Each track, I'm looking at track 8 right now, is a MIDI track, and then the settings I have set up for each one to go to the channel that corresponds to. So I have channel 8 or track 8 to channel 8 and so on. Track 5 is my, or sorry, track 6 is my drum track, and then the other 3 are different pigment tracks. So if you look on here, each track has, let's see, I have 3 pigments, 1 drum kit, and then each of these are assigned to the OPXY with the channel that corresponds to my MIDI track. Then I have a USB-C cord connected to my Mac. In my MIDI settings, let's see, I have making sure that it's going out, clock is out, notes are out, everything on here is out, and then each of those tracks assigned to a MIDI track. And then within, sorry, it's blurry, and then within Ableton, I have, as soon as I plugged it in, I see my, where is it, input, OPXY, and then I have that assigned to track sync and remote. So now I can control Ableton with the play button, and then all the notes go in. So if I press track 8, that's playing track 8 in pigments. So if I play, that's my drum track. Oh, sorry, no, that's my bass line. And I'm just putting in notes in the sequencer. I think that's all the settings you need to get it to work. You just need to make sure that works with Pro Tools. Hope that helps.